10 Fascinating Rare Facts. 1. The Eiffel Tower was originally intended to be a temporary structure. It was built as the entrance arch for the 1889 World's Fair in Paris and was scheduled to be dismantled after the fair. However, it was saved because of its usefulness as a radio transmission tower. 2. The world's oldest known mathematical object is the Ishango bone, discovered in what is now the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is a baboon fibula with notches carved into it, dating back over 20,000 years. Some researchers believe it may have been used for counting or as a lunar calendar. 3. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes. It took place between the countries of Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. Zanzibar declared independence from Britain, and when the British authorities demanded that the Sultan step down, they bombed his palace, effectively ending the conflict. 4. The Mona Lisa, one of the most famous paintings in the world, was stolen from the Louvre Museum in 1911. It was missing for more than 2 years before being recovered in Italy. The theft actually helped increase the painting's fame and made it even more iconic. 5. The longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. This unusual fact was documented in 1945 when a chicken named Joe was launched from a catapult aboard a U.S. Navy ship. The poor chicken did not survive the flight. 6. The national animal of Scotland is the unicorn. Despite being a mythical creature, the unicorn has been associated with Scotland for centuries and is featured in the country's royal coat of arms. 7. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is still growing. Due to tectonic activity, the mountain's height increases by approximately 4 millimeters, 0.16 inches, each year. This slow but steady growth is a result of the ongoing collision between the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. 8. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye. This is a common myth, but astronauts and cosmonauts have confirmed that the wall is not easily distinguishable from the low Earth orbit. Other man-made structures, such as cities, are more visible. 9. The name Google originated as a misspelling. The company's original name was intended to be Google, which refers to the number represented by a 1 followed by 100 zeros. However, when founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin registered their domain, they accidentally typed Google instead. 10. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Due to its low moisture content and acidic pH, honey has antimicrobial properties that prevent the growth of bacteria and other microorganisms.